ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, on behalf of Indian Institute of World Culture and Lakshman Sriram, Rohini Raghunandan, I invite you all for today's program and welcome you all. You can greet Sri Lakshman Sriram and Rohini Prabhurandan with applause. Lakshman Sriram has made a legendary presence in the Indian Institute of World Culture. He has given more than 26 karaoke music in the institute. He has initiated this program in our Indian Institute of World Culture. And no program in Indian Institute of World Culture is complete unless Lakshman Sriram gives a performance once in a month at least, followed by Rohini Raghunandan also. Just on 28th November, she gave a program, Rohini Remembers Ragas, about 20 ragas she sang. ದೈವತತ್ವವಾಗಿ ಶರೀರ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾರೀರ ಇದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಬೋದೇ ಹೊರತು ಅದು ದೈವದತ್ತವಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸರಸ್ವತಿಯು ಒಲಿದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೊಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಪಾದನೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಿಜವಾದ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸೋಣ. ಈ ದಿನದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಸಿ ಹರಿಕೋಡೆಯವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹರಿಕೋಡೆಯವರು ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಬೇಕು. ಇಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರನ್ ಬೈ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 70 years. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವರಿಗೂ ಹಲವು ಪರಿಚಿತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೂ ಆಗಾಗ್ಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಬಂದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಿಜವಾಗಲೂ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಟರಾಜ್, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಎ TV actor ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ನಟರಾಜ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. His friends from Laughing Club, his popularity has spread to all places. Nook and corner of Bangalore, they have come. We take the presence of all. Now I request Rohini Prabhurandan to take over the mic and conduct the programs. Welcome to you all.
Thank you Chandrasekhar ji. आज आप सबको इस प्रोग्राम का स्वागत है. I know you'll all be missing Chitra. So I started off in Hindi just like her, but you all know that we all go in, I talk in English and Kannada and in between Hindi. So due to some reasons, she is not able to come today. Adrinda ivattu nane nimge Master of Ceremonies. So welcome to all of you for this season's last program. This is the last program of the season here in the Indian Institute of World Culture. Once again, welcome to all of you. Now, as usual, first we start with the lighting of the lamp. I request Sri Harikode ji, Ravi Shankar ji, Mr. Prabhakar, Mr. Balu, Mr. Lakshmanan and Praveen, and Professor, sir, I cannot recollect your name, sir. Professor? He represents the teaching faculty today here. Yeah, so Dr. Shrikanta Swami. Yeah. And of course our own Mr. Chandrasekhar. Please, sir. Thanks to the dignitaries on the stage for lighting the lamp. And then I think after the photograph, may I request all of you to please be seated and to listen to the music. Aita photo.
I request Sherry Kode to present this bouquet to Lakshman Sriram and Rohini Prabhu. Lakshman Sriram remembers Sindhu Bhairavi today, and this will be the last program for the 2011. He was telling he's going abroad, America. Shortly, there may not be any program for a few months, but his life is here. He is attracted to India again. Hope he will come soon and conduct the programs. Thank you.
Rag Sindhu Bhairavi. It is called Sindhu Bhairavi in our Carnatic classical music and Bhairavi in Hindustani music. Sindhu Bhairavi is a raga. In Carnatic music, it is derived from the 10th Melakarta raga Nataka Priya. It has Madhyantama Sancharas, swaras taken by the raga are Sadha Shadja, Shuddha Rishabha, Sadharana Gandhara, Shuddha Madhyama, Panchama, Shuddha Daivata, Kaishiki Nishada. The Sindhu Bhairavi note today, actually it is not as it used to be during the ancient days. Nowadays the effect of Hindustani Bhairavi has come into Sindhu Bhairavi also. And many times both the Rishabhas and both the Daivatas are used in this raga. And in this raga, as I was mentioning, or Chitra was mentioning also earlier, in every raga there is called a swara Vadi and a Samvadi. So Vadi swara is very important. So the raga will be based, if whatever tuning is made, they use that particular swara. It's called as Vadi swara. And using those swaras, what is made is called, they are called as bandishes. So these bandish sound the same in all the ragas because of the Vadi swara. And then there is next another swara which is called as Samvadi. So Samvadi swara in this Sindhu Bhairavi is Daivata. And because of the bandishes, all the songs sound similar, but still they have some differences. And because both the Rishabhas and both the Daivatas are used nowadays to make music, it sounds little different and little same. So I hope all of you enjoy this program of ours based on Rag Sindhu Bhairavi. Welcome once again. And as usual, I request Lakshman Sriram to begin the program with the invocatory piece based on to the Lord Ganesha.
Om Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopa Shantaye
Now, here goes the scale or Arohana, Arohan and Avarohan, what they call, of Rag Sindhu Bhairavi.
Rag Bhairavi.
This was Bhairavi for you. It's the same with Sindhu Bhairavi except that Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa. And previously they used to sing Chatushruti Daivata also for this raga, as I told in olden days, but nowadays it's almost the same. So there's not much difference, marked difference. It's just when we sing a South Indian song, they use this Gandhara again, and they use the Chatushruti Daivata also. So this is the difference. And as we go on, you will enjoy the rag Sindhu Bhairavi in its different flavors. Thank you. And the first song of the evening today is from the film Sant Jnaneshwar. The music was by Lakshmikant Pyarelal and lyrics by Bharat Vyas ji. The song sung by Mukesh ji and Lata ji in two different, they were sung differently, but here we sing it together, one stanza by Lakshman Shriram as Mukesh and another paragraph by me, which represents the Lata version. Thank you. And here goes the song. Just give me a minute.
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
कौन है ऊंचा कौन है नीचा, सब में ओ ही समाया, भेदभाव के झूठे भरम में ए मानव बरमाया। धर्म ध्वजा फहराते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
जिसका न कोई संगी साथी, ईश्वर है रखवाला, जो निर्धन है जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। दीप दया का, दीप दया का जलाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
Thank you. ಈ ರಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲಾಪ್ನೆ ಜನರಲಿ ಮಂದ್ರ ಸ್ಥಾಯಿ ಮಧ್ಯಸ್ಥಾಯಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ರಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಂಚಾರಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯಸ್ಥಾಯಿಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಂದ್ರ ಸ್ಥಾಯಿಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ತಾರ ಸ್ಥಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ವರ ಸಾ ಗ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರಾಗ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಲೆಸೆಂಟ್ ರಾಗ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ meant for mainly singing light classical music and romantic songs also, bhajans. And this raga is such that idr ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೂ everybody will enjoy this raga very much. And generally North Indian music ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭೈರವಿ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, this is called a morning raga. Morning raga ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ this is sung towards the late evening. Also in concerts, in South Indian music, Carnatic music, or in North Indian, Hindustani music. This is sung as a last number in the concerts, Sindhu Bhairavi Raga. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಂಧು ಭೈರವಿ ರಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಶಾಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಅ ಶೋ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್. It's like that's what Chandrasekhar ji was telling, and we are also going to miss all of you, and then let's hope when we can see you again. So this Sindhu Bhairavi today, taking up this raga especially, means a lot to us also, and hope again you could enjoy the first song of the evening. The next song is from the movie 1951 Avara, music by Shankar Jaikishan, lyrics by Shailendra. It's sung by Mukesh ji, the title song of the movie Avara Hoon. Here goes Lakshman Sriram with the song.
आवारा हूँ, आवारा हूँ, क्या गर्दिश में हूँ, आसमान का तारा हूँ। आवारा हूँ, आवारा हूँ, क्या गर्दिश में हूँ, आसमान का तारा हूँ। आवारा हूँ। घरबार नहीं, संसार नहीं, मुझसे किसी को प्यार नहीं, मुझसे किसी को प्यार नहीं। उस पार किसी से मिलने का इकरार नहीं, मुझसे किसी को प्यार नहीं, मुझसे किसी को प्यार नहीं। सुनसान नगर अनजान डगर का प्यारा हूँ। आवारा हूँ, आवारा हूँ, क्या गर्दिश में हूँ, आसमान का तारा हूँ। आवारा हूँ। आबाद नहीं बर्बाद सही, गाता हूँ खुशी के गीत मगर, गाता हूँ खुशी के गीत मगर। जख्मों से बड़ा सीना है मेरा, हस्ती है मगर ये मस्त नजर। दुनिया दुनिया में तेरे तीर का या तकदीर का मारा हूँ। आवारा हूँ, आवारा हूँ, क्या गर्दिश में हूँ, आसमान का तारा हूँ। आवारा हूँ, आवारा हूँ, आवारा हूँ। Thank you.
That was a very beautiful beginning. And as we go on, we can listen to different voices, all the singers from Lakshman Sriram. And there's not much I want to talk today because we have a lot of agenda in our program. So I think straight away we go ahead with the next song. It's from the movie 1952, Daag, music by Shankar Jaikishan ji again, lyrics by Shailendra. Yeah, ऐ मेरे दिल कहीं और जा. Very good guess, sir. Sung by? It's sung by Talat Mahmud. Talat Mahmud. Yeah. So we have very knowledgeable audience here. Suppose we have any doubt, we can always get back to the audience, and if we make a mistake, we can correct ourselves. And if we don't know anything, we can ask the audience. Once again, I appreciate and applaud the wonderful audience here who are so knowledgeable that you can't just get away with saying something and anything. We have to come here completely prepared to speak a few words also, and that's what I've done today. I'm very scared, in fact, because I don't know, almost I'm okay, but suppose I make a mistake, please don't mind and please correct me. Thank you.
Hello. As Mr. Y.M.N. Murthy tells you, if you fail to prepare, be prepared to fail. And by the way, today is the birthday of the thespian Mr. Dilip Kumar. Please wish him a happy birthday. And I'm going to dedicate this beautiful song to Mr. Dilip Kumar. God bless you, sir. And God bless your family. Thank you. मेरे दिल कहीं और चल, गम की दुनिया से दिल भर गया, ढूंढ ले अब कोई घर नया। मेरे दिल कहीं और चल, गम की दुनिया से दिल भर गया, ढूंढ ले अब कोई घर नया। मेरे दिल कहीं और चल। चल जहाँ गम के मारे न हो, झूठी आशा के तारे न हो। चल जहाँ गम के मारे न हो, झूठी आशा के तारे न हो, झूठी आशा के तारे न हो। इन बहारों से क्या फायदा, जिसमें दिल की कली जल गई, जख्म फिर से हरा हो गया। मेरे दिल कहीं और चल। चार आंसू कोई रो दिया, फिर के मुंह कोई चल दिया। चार आंसू कोई रो दिया, फिर के मुंह कोई चल दिया, फिर के मुंह कोई चल दिया। टूट रहा था किसी का जहां, देखती रह गई ये जमीन, चुप रहा बेरहम आसमां। मेरे दिल कहीं और चल, गम की दुनिया से दिल भर गया, ढूंढ ले अब कोई घर नया। मेरे दिल कहीं और चल। Thank you.
That was a beautiful number, sung by Talat Mahmood ji. The next song for the evening is from the movie 1978, Satyam Shivam Sundaram, music by Lakshmikant Pyarelal, lyrics by Anand Bakshi ji, sung by Lata ji. This is a song sung very early in the morning by Zeenat Aman. Any guesses? This goes as Bhor by Pangat Pe.
And before that, I wanted to let you know one more thing. Raj Kapoor had some favorite ragas, like Shivaranjani, and another favorite raga of his is Bhairavi. There are lots of songs composed from Shankar Jayakishan, giving different permutations and combinations to this Bhairavi raga. You'll be awestruck and pleasantly having a shock that this song is from Bhairavi. It's like a great chef, you know. That's what they have done, musicians. And this was one of the greatest films, Satyam Shivam Sundaram. he wanted Lata Mangeshkar to act in this film. She had agreed. Afterwards, she chickened out and she backed out. And so finally, Raj Kapoor selected Zeenat Aman for this beautiful movie. And it was all shot in this Pune forum, where a temple was erected. And the floods also occurred naturally, and he took the shots while the floods was going on. Nothing artificial about this. And over back to one and the only Mrs. Rohini Prabhunandan.
भोर भये पनघट पे मोहिनत घट शाम सताए। भोर भये पनघट पे मोहिनत घट शाम सताए। मोरी चुनरिया लिपटी जाए, मैं क्या करूं हाय राम हाय हाय। भोर भये पनघट पे मोहिनत घट शाम सताए। मोरी चुनरिया लिपटी जाए, मैं क्या करूं हाय राम हाय हाय। भोर भये पनघट पे। कोई जाने पनिया भरने के बहाने गगरे उठाए राधा शाम से हाय हाय शाम से मिलने आए हाय। भोर भये पनघट पे मोहिनत घट शाम सताए। भोर भये पनघट पे। आए पवन चकोरा टूटे अंग अंग मोरा। चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके बैठा कहीं पे वो चुपके देखे मुस्काए निर्लज को लाज न आए हाय। भोर भये पनघट पे मोहिनत घट शाम सताए। भोर भये पनघट पे। को गाली, मैं हूँ चिड़की मैं न खोलूं बंद खिड़की, नींद आ जाए तो वो कंकर, हाय हाय कंकर मार जगाए, हाय भोर भये पनघट पे, मोहे नट खट शाम सताए, मोरी चुनरी लिपटी जाए, मैं क्या करूं हाय हाय क्या करूं, हाय राम हाय हाय भोर भये पनघट पे।
Thank you. Thank you. Whenever I hear this song, I always feel as if Krishna is there doing all the mischiefs, and it's so beautifully written and so beautifully tuned. It's just one of the favorite numbers of many people, I know that, and I hope I did justice to it. Thank you. So the next number is from the 1956 movie Mamta, music by Hemant Kumarji and sung by Hemant Kumarji. This song, Chali Gori Pi Se Milan Ko Chali. This is a very touching song, and till now already he has represented 3 singers already. This is a 4th singer. And
It's a beautiful song. Captures a dulhan, a bride going to her husband's place after the marriage. If you can just close your eyes and imagine it, you'll be able to enjoy all the nuances. And it's a beautiful composition by Mr. Hemant Kumar and also rendered beautifully. Hope I can do justice for it. Thank you.
चली गोरी पी से मिलन को चली, चली गोरी पी से मिलन को चली, नैना बावरिया मन में सावरिया, चली गोरी पी से मिलन को चली, चली गोरी पी से मिलन को चली, नैना बावरिया मन में सावरिया, चली गोरी पी से मिलन को चली,